Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Keralakkam CBSE School Moodle online classes. So in previous class we completed fifth chapter data handling. So today I will continue with next chapter squares and square roots, which is sixth chapter squares and square roots. So today just I will discuss introduction part of squares and square roots. So here in page number 89 they have given that you know the area of the square. What is the area of square? Area of square is equal to, what is that? Side into side. Area of square is equal to side into side. So here, where side means length of a side. Side into side means, you know that, suppose for example, one square, consider one square, and if length of one side is 5 centimeter, then all the length of side will be 5 centimeter only, because in square all the sides are equal to each other. Therefore, area of square is equal to side into side means length of the sides 5 into 5, which is 25 units. So here side means length of a side. Area of square is equal to side into side. Now, based on this, they have given one table here in page number 89 only. So here, side of a square, in table they have given side of a square in centimeter, and again in next column what they have given here, area of the square. Area of square in centimeter square. So now, if side of a square is 1 centimeter, means all the sides will be equal. Here in square, you know that all the sides will be of all the sides have equal length. So here area of a square, you know that side into side means 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So now to get this, what you did, you multiplied 1 2 times. You multiplied this 1 2 times here. So 1 square. Like this only, consider side of a square, then this 2 centimeter. Now again, area of square is equal to side into side. Again you know that all the sides are equal in square. Therefore, 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. So now, to get this 4, how many times you multiply this 2? 2 times. Therefore, 2 square. 2 square means you multiplied 2 times. Therefore, 2 into 2 is equal to 4, which is equal to 2 square only. Again, they have considered 3. Yeah, 3 into 3. Area of the square is equal to side into side. 3 into 3 means what you will get? 9, which is equal to 3 square. 3 square. You multiplied this 3 2 times to get area of this square. Now again 4. What you will get? 4 into 4. Side into side means 4 into 4. 4 into 4 means what is answer? 16. So you multiplied 4 2 times, therefore 4 square. Next 5. 5 means area of square is equal to side into side, therefore 5 into 5 is equal to 25. So now we multiplied 5 2 times, therefore 5 square here. So now, if the value is a, any value a, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this only, if the value is any value a, then what we will do here? We multiply this a two times to get square value. What we will do? If this is a, you will multiply this a two times. So what you will get if you multiply a two times? You will get a square. If you multiply any value a two times, you will get answer a square. So now below this table, what they are given? What is special about the numbers? What is special about the numbers 4, 9, 25, 4, 9, 16, 25, 64 and other such numbers? Since 4 can be expressed as 2 into 2, we can express this 4 as 2 into 2. We can write it as 2 square. The meaning of 2 square is, what is that? We will multiply 2 times. Means 2 into 2. What is that? 4. So now, the specialty about these numbers 4, 9, 16, 25 is that, what is that? We can represent this 4 in such a way that 2 into 2. So now we can write this 2 into 2 in the form of 2 square, because you are multiplying this 2 times, therefore 2 square. Like this only. Next number 9. So 9 can be expressed in the form of 3 into 3. 3 into 3 means you can represent it in the form of 3 square. You are multiplying 3 2 times, therefore 3 into 3. You can represent 9 in the form of 3 into 3. Next, all such numbers like 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 are known as square numbers. All these such numbers 4, 9, 16, 25, these all numbers are known as square numbers. These all are square numbers. Why these are called as square numbers? You can represent these numbers as 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4, 5 into 5. Means you can represent it in the form of 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. Therefore, these numbers are called as square numbers. So now, again below this what they are given. In general, if a natural number m can be expressed as, if a natural number m can be expressed as n square. If this m can be expressed as n square, where n is also a natural number, then m is a square number. Then this m is a square number. What they have given, listen carefully. Where this m can be represented in the form of n square. For example, consider m value as 4. Where this 4 can be represented in the form of 2 square. So now m value is 4, and n value is 2. So here this 4 can be represented in the form of 2 square. Means you know that 2 square means we should multiply 2 times. Therefore 2 into 2 means 4. So where this 4 can be represented in the form of 2 square, where this 2 is also natural number here, then this 4 is a square number. Then this 4 is square number. You can call this 4 as 4 number. Sorry, what is that? Square number. But here they have given definition in general. What they did here in the place of 4 or 9 or 16 or 25, they considered m directly. So here, if it is 9, we can write it in the form of 3 square. Therefore, this 9 is square number. Like this only, in general, what they have given in textbook, if m is a natural number, then m is natural number, and if this is represented, this can be represented in the form of n square. If this m can be represented in the form of n square, and where this n is also natural number, where this n is also a natural number, then this m is a square number. M is a square number. For example, we considered 4 here. 4 can be represented in the form of n square means 2 square. Therefore, 2 is a square number. Like this only consider 9. You can represent this 9 in the form of 3 square. Therefore, this m value can be represented in the form of n square. Therefore, 9 is also square number. Next, consider 16. Okay, so 16 can be represented in the form of 4 square. So in general, this m value is 16 and n value is 4. Therefore, this 16 can be represented in the form of n square. Therefore, this 16 is also a square number. Okay, I hope you all are clear with this definition. What is that? M is a natural number. All these values are natural numbers. Consider where m is a natural number and where you can represent this m in the form of n square. Means here, for example, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. If you represent this m in the form of n square, where this n is also a natural number. Here 2, 3, 4 are natural numbers. Then this m is a square number. Then this 4, 9, 16 are square numbers. So, in introduction part, first write area of square and write the formula for area of square. After that, write down this table. They have given this in page number 89 in your textbook, page number 89. So here, first you should write area of square, this formula. After that, write this table. They have given in textbook. After that, write the definition for square number. Before that, write below that they have given 4 can be expressed in the form of, this 4 can be expressed in the form of 2 square, 9 can be expressed in the form of 3 square. They have given that. All these such numbers 4, 9, 16 and 25 are called as square numbers. They have given this. And below this they have given that in general definition, in next paragraph they have given, page number 89 only. In general, they are given in next paragraph. In general, if a natural number m can be expressed, if a natural number m can be expressed in the form of n square, where n is also a natural number, then this m is called as square number. They have given this in textbook, page number 89. Write these all things in Facebook. After this, what they have given? We know that 5 square is equal to, after this definition, square number, what they have given is 32 a square number. So they have given one number, that is 32. We have to check whether this 32 is a square number or not. So now we have to check whether this 32 can be represented in the form of n square. So now 32 means, first I will check with 5. 5 into 5 means 5 square is equal to 5 into 5 means what you will get? Is equals to 25. Right? So 5 square is not equals to 32 because it is equals to 25. Next again consider 6. I will check with 6. 6 square is equal to 6 square means 6 into 6 which is equals to 36 which is greater than 32. So it is 25. 5 square means 25 and 6 square means 36 which is greater than 32. So here this 25 is less than 32 and this 36 is greater than 32. Therefore 5 is also 5 is not 5 is not square root of 32 means 32 is not square number, like that only 6 is also not square root of 32 because 6 into 6 what you will get 36. 36 is a square number but 32 is not square number. If it is square number there should be one natural number but here it should be between 5 and 6 means when you multiply two natural numbers two times means 5 square means 5 into 5 what you are getting here 25 means and 6 into 6 means what you are getting here 36 but here you are not getting 32. Therefore what they are given here, if 32 is a square number, if this is a square number, it must be the square of a natural number. It should be square of natural numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, any number. It must be the square of natural number between 5 and 6. So here it is 25 and here it is 36. So it must be the square of the any natural number between 5 and 6. But there is no natural number between 5 and 6. So here between 5 and 6 there is no natural number. What you will get 5.5, 5.2, 5.7. These all are not natural numbers. But to get 32, if this 32 is a square number, this should be multiplied 2 times by a natural number. Means it should be the product of any natural number between 5 and 6. But there is no natural number between 5 and 6. Therefore, this 32 is not a natural, square number. 32 is not a square number. And here you got to know these are square roots. If this 25 is square number, then this 5 is square root. Again here, if this is 36 is a square number, 6 is square root. Here example 4. If this 4 is a square number, this 2 is square root. Because when you multiply 2 times you will get square number 4. Therefore this 2 is known as square root. And suppose if any number m is a square number, then that should be product of similar natural numbers. Here this 5 between 5 and 6 there is no natural number, therefore 32 is not a square number. But here 4, 9, 16, 25 all these values are what are those square numbers, because when you multiply 2 times you will get 4, 3 2 times you will get 9, 4 2 times you will get 16, like this only. 5 2 times means 25. So what you got to know, when you multiplied these natural numbers 2 times, you got these square numbers. I hope you all are clear with this squares and square roots introduction part. So in next class also I will discuss some more examples on squares and square roots. Thank you all.